The 2018 Mercedes GLE. The GLE comes with the full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, traction control, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, stability control, keyless entry, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, keyless start, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.